channel. Today we're doing something different for a change. Instead of working with cars and playing with cars, we've got the unboxing of the DooGee phone. This is the DooGee N50, and as you see, it comes in a yellow box. Of the phone. So okay, in the box we've got the phone, setup. We are good to go with the phone. Basic setup. I haven't really done anything fancy to it. It's enroll the fingerprint, which is over here. The power doubles as the power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor as well, and it's quite responsive. So unlock the phone. So we lock the phone, unlock it, so it's quite responsive. Let's go into the settings and have a look at the phone's actual settings quickly. Let's just go here, settings, and we've got security, we've got system, and we are on system update. Let's see what they say for system update. Okay, let's have a look at the about details. So we've got the N50, which is the DooGee N50 dual SIM, and I haven't put the SIM cards in yet. We've got RAM, which is 8 gigs, like I said, and we've got Android version 13. So let's go to RAM and let's have a look at the let's see here. We'll also do this. Added the developer options. Let's have a look and see. Memory expansion, and we can increase it. So obviously this will take effect once you restart the phone. So we can go all the way to 7, which will give us your 15 gigs of RAM. And obviously I'll do that at a later stage, because I don't want to restart the phone immediately right now. Furthermore, it's quite hefty in the hand, it's quite a good weight in the hand, it's quite big. I said the textured back, and yeah, it's got the notch cut out. Just not happy with the fact that the screen guard wasn't installed 100%, so it's got some bubbles, and that didn't actually gel well there. That's the only issue I have with the phone so far. I'm going to do this as a daily driver, and I will obviously have a look and report back to you guys and tell you what the true outcome of this phone is and what my thoughts are on this phone and how I found this phone. So Thanks for watching the unboxing and basics of the DooGee N50.